Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to customize the screensaver on the OnePlus TV. You can choose to use the default photos or even set your custom photos as the screensaver. Let me show you how. First you need to go to the settings and open Personalize. Here you can find the screensaver settings. Once you go into these settings, the first option would be to select the screensaver type. There are totally 4 screensaver options by default. You can install third-party screensaver apps to get more options. Turn screen off is nothing but just a sleep timer. The TV will go into sleep depending on the ideal time set by the user. Next is the OnePlus Pictorial, which is the default screensaver on the OnePlus TVs, and it's exclusively designed by OnePlus. Once you select it, you will be able to see the recommendation section that shows hand-picked shot on OnePlus pictures captured by OnePlus phone users. If you want your photo also to be showcased here, you can head over to Shot on OnePlus site and upload your pictures to try your luck. So the first 10 pictures in this list keep changing every 15 to 30 days, whereas the remaining don't. You can even click to open in full screen and browse these photos. Frankly, except for this last high resolution pictures, most of the times the shot on OnePlus pictures are not screensaver worthy. Next is the system style. These are basically watch faces that you can select based on the info you want to be displayed, like date, weather, etc. The last is favorites, which is the most useful part of the screensaver. This section you can find your favorites from recommendations and system style. For selecting favorites, you need to click OK after opening the picture you like from recommendations or system style in full screen, and it will automatically be added to favorites. Now here's where you can add your custom photos as screensavers. Scroll to the leftmost in favorites and you will find the select picture. You can browse through the pictures available in the internal memory of the TV. I have already transferred few pictures to the TV from the phone, which I can select so that they can be added to the screensaver. For transferring your photos to the TV from phone or laptop, you can use Send Files to TV app. If you don't know how to use it, check the video I placed in the card above. Once you are done selecting your favorite photos for the screensaver, head over to the settings option at the bottom right corner and choose favorites as the screensaver style. This way you are making sure that the pictures displayed on the screensaver are only the ones you liked. Once it's done, you can even check the demo by selecting Start Now. Unfortunately, there is no option to select transition time or animation style, nor an option to have some photo info. Hope to see such options in the future updates. So, because of the limitations of the OnePlus Pictorial over fine control, I prefer the other screensaver option, which is called Backdrop. It is also known as Ambient mode. It's the screensaver feature from Google, and once you select it on the TV as the default screensaver, the setup has to be done totally from your phone. On the phone, open Google Home app. If you don't have it, install and log in with the same Google account as the one in the TV. Once you log in into the Google Home, you will be able to see the list of Google linked devices. Select the OnePlus TV. I renamed it as Android TV, so I shall click that. Here you need to go into the settings icon on the top right corner, which will bring the ambient mode settings. Click on the ambient mode and you will see the option to choose the source for pictures. One is Art Gallery, which are the default wallpapers from Google, grouped into different categories. You can select any particular category if you like to. The other one is Experimental, where you can grab the photos from your Facebook or Flickr account, and also has a low bandwidth mode to save data. The last and most important one is the Google Photos. Here you can select your own photo albums to be shown as screensaver. For this option to be shown, you need to be on the beta version of the Chromecast built-in of the Android TV. So in Google Photos, you can only select the albums and can't select individual pictures. So always create an album of pictures that you want to be used as screensaver. I created this album named Wallpaper, which are pictures captured by one of my friends. Once you are done selecting the album, tap on Back and you can customize the other settings such as weather info, time, photo data like location, album name, and even the slideshow speed. Choose as per your requirement and get back to the TV to check the demo by clicking on Start Now. There you go, the ambient screensaver with time, weather, and album info. Unfortunately, the Chromecast logo cannot be removed. And do note that this Google Photos feature is still in beta stage, so sometimes it even disappears from the Home app. All you need to do is restart the Home app and TV for it to reappear. Except for that large Chromecast logo, I really like the backdrop feature that provides a way to use custom pictures as the screensaver. Do share your thoughts on this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. Bye and take care.